Welcome to DWBI Adda videos. In this session, we are explaining date partition tables in BigQuery. Content: understanding date partition tables, benefits of date partition tables, best practices for implementing date partition tables. Understanding date partition tables. Creating date partition tables in BigQuery is a useful strategy to optimize query performance and manage large datasets effectively. Here's an overview of the theory behind creating and using date partition tables in BigQuery. What are date partition tables? Date partition tables are special types of tables in BigQuery that divide data into segments, called partitions, based on the values of a date or timestamp column. This segmentation can significantly improve query performance and reduce costs by allowing queries to scan only the relevant partitions instead of the entire table. Benefits of date partition tables: improved query performance. Queries run faster because only the relevant partitions are scanned. Cost efficiency: reduced scanning of data lowers the query costs. Data management: easier to manage and maintain large datasets by segmenting them into smaller, more manageable parts. Creating date partition tables. Method 1. Using the BigQuery console. 1. Open BigQuery console. Go to the BigQuery web UI in the Google Cloud Console. To create table, click on the Create Table button. 3. Configure table settings. 1. Source. Choose the data source. Example, upload a file. Select a Google Cloud Storage bucket. 2. Destination table. Specify the dataset and table name. 3. Schema. Define the schema of the table, name, type, mode of each field. 4. Partition and cluster settings. Partitioning. Select Partition by field and choose a date or timestamp column for partitioning. Partition expiration. Optional. Set the partition expiration time to automatically delete old partitions. 5. Create the table. Click Create Table to finalize the process. Method 2. Using SQL, you can also create a date partition table using SQL DDL, Data Definition Language, statements in BigQuery. Create table project_id.dataset.table_name, column 1 string, column 2 int64, date_column date, partition by date_column. Querying date partition tables. When querying date partition tables, you should use the partition column in the where clause to filter the data. This ensures that only the relevant partitions are scanned. Select asterisk from project_id.dataset.table_name, where date_column between 1st January 2023 and 31st January 2023. Managing partitions. Adding data. When inserting data into a partition table, BigQuery automatically places the data into the appropriate partition. Dropping partitions. You can delete partitions that are no longer needed using the delete statement with a filter on the partition column. Setting expiration. You can set a default partition expiration at the table level or for individual partitions to automatically manage data lifecycle. Best practices. Choose the right partition column. The partition column should be frequently used in queries where clauses. Optimize partition size. Ensure partitions are neither too large nor too small for optimal performance. Use clustering. For further optimization, consider clustering the data within partitions based on additional columns frequently used in queries.